EndNote is a powerful reference management tool widely used by researchers and academics to organize and manage citations and bibliographies. It is especially valuable in complex fields such as genome-wide analysis, where researchers often deal with large amounts of data and numerous references. EndNote simplifies the citation process, helping to ensure accuracy and consistency while saving time and effort. Researchers can store, organize, and automatically generate citations and bibliographies in various formats, including APA, MLA, and specific journal styles. The software integrates with word processing programs like Microsoft Word, allowing users to insert citations directly into their documents and format them according to the required citation style. To install EndNote, the first step is to obtain the software. EndNote is a paid application, though some institutions provide free access to students and staff. You can download a trial version from the official EndNote website or purchase the full version. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. EndNote is compatible with both Windows and macOS, so be sure to download the appropriate version. Once installed, activate the software using the provided license key or institutional login. For genome-wide analysis, researchers typically work with vast amounts of literature, including genomic datasets, bioinformatics tools, and statistical analysis methods. EndNote can help organize these references effectively. Start by creating a new EndNote library, which acts as a central repository for all the citations related to your research. You can organize your references into groups or categories, such as genomic data, analysis methods, and related studies, making it easier to access and manage them. EndNote allows users to import references from various online databases like PubMed, Scopus, Google Scholar, or specialized genomic repositories such as NCBI or Ensemble. You can import references directly from these sources into your EndNote library, saving time compared to manual entry. Additionally, you can attach full-text PDFs, notes, and tags to references, allowing you to store all related materials in one place. Once your references are organized, EndNote integrates with Microsoft Word, allowing you to insert citations directly into your paper as you write. EndNote's Cite While You Write feature helps insert citations and automatically formats them according to the desired style. It also generates a bibliography at the end of the paper, ensuring that all sources are properly cited. EndNote also facilitates collaboration, allowing researchers to share their libraries with colleagues or co-authors. This is particularly useful in large-scale genome-wide studies where multiple researchers are often involved in analyzing the data. By sharing a common reference library, everyone involved can access the same set of references and stay on the same page. In conclusion, EndNote is an essential tool for managing references in genome-wide analysis. It simplifies the citation process, ensures proper documentation, and helps